It gives me a great pleasure on behalf of CLAFMA and also on behalf of Godrej Agrovet Limited to be part of this exhibition. I have a confession to make. When 5 years ago this process was started, I was critical and cynical and we did not participate. And it took us a lot of coaxing and cajoling by Mr. Anil Dhumal and the team to come here and participate. And I must recognize your effort and pay kudos to the team for making this exhibition unignorable for people like us. So congratulations. Whatever I have to say, several points have already been covered by the new president. I would not repeat that, but I would still do my duty for praising this sector. Animal husbandry sector is growing faster than the agri sector in the agricultural GDP. Eggs have grown at a CAGR of 5.8% in volume in the last 5 years, and poultry meat has grown at a compounded annual growth rate of 6.1% in volume over the last 5 years. The value growth is more than double, and you know why. Inflation has played its role. We represent a 40,000 crore industry if calculated on output, and if calculated on input and output, the industry is more than 75,000 crores. It provides direct employment to more than 6 million families, and all this industry has achieved without any direct subsidy support from the government. R&D support, because we cannot only depend on foreign countries for research and development and new innovations in this sector, and an enabling policy framework to grow this sector. Time and again, sir, some irritants keep on creeping up, the recent ones being clearances at customs for our feed additives, a critical input for the industry. Your help in this regard will be very useful. Sir, we also need to respond to the uncertain economic situation of the world which has resulted in rupee depreciation, which has opened floodgates for the export of our feed ingredients like corn and soya. We produce about 20 million tons of corn, about 10% was exported last year. We believe this year the exports will go to more than 20%. This year corn crop has suffered towards the end of the season, and coupled with increase in domestic demand, the price of feed and subsequently the price of animal protein will rise. We are for free market economy, sir, but extraordinary situations would require extraordinary response. Another point I wish to mention is that we don't mind exports if we are also allowed to export. Because of the bird flu situation, we are unable to export eggs and chicken to other countries, which requires your attention. In the end, I wish the organizers another very good exhibition and a very good show, and the industry a very good year ahead. I have a few things to say in the technical seminar tomorrow. I hope several of you will be there to hear me. Thank you very much.